Yay!
Can you get this out of my...
Wow, Murphy.
Oh, this is for Charlotte. This says to Charlotte. Can you take that to Charlotte?
Oh, I just was untying a little part for her.
Oh, just tell her you just started to untie it and you saw her name on it.
Daddy.
Oh, this is for Charlotte. And this is for Murphy.
Murphy?
Uh-huh. Bring that one over to Charlotte.
Let's go.
Careful where you're stepping.
Oh, gosh.
You have many things.
Murphy, this is for you. Is this for
Oh, is that from Aunt Sue?
Yeah.
That's for Charlotte. Love from Santa.
I opened the gun. That is
What is it?
It's a Funko set.
Is it? Oh,
wow.
Nice. Thank you so
That's
much.
what I told her about you. Funko set. And I said no.
and Aunt Sue and Uncle Charlie got that for you.
Yay!
Oh,
Aunt
let's
Sue and
see.
Uncle Charlie.
That's from Florence Rivers.
Daddy, I can make my own sweater.
Oh, wonderful.
That's mine.
Not a lot.
Let me see,
Oh, how
Charlotte.
beautiful. Oh, Florence,
See,
thank
I'm
you.
right over here.
Where's, oh, wow. Who sent you that?
Look what's in there. Goggle. Goggle. Goggle.
Well, you gotta get the flap out of the way. And then it all pulls out together.
Birdie's free golden one. Birdie's free golden one.
Oh,
Whoa,
look.
whoa, whoa.
Show, that's for Mommy, too.
Oh, wow. Who's that from?
Florence Rivers.
Maria,
Wow.
Maria.
From heaven.
From heaven. Now, isn't that sweet?
Isn't that sweet? Thank you, Florence.
Thank you, Florence. For Maria from Santa. Feel how heavy that is, Maria.
More Play-Doh.
More Play-Doh?
More Play-Doh.
Oh, wow. Coming through.
Play-Doh. Play-Doh. Mommy. More Play-Doh. Come on through.
Yeah.
More Play-Doh. Come on through. More Play-Doh. Come on through. Play-Doh free. Play-Doh free. Mommy, it's a candle for Mommy and Daddy.
Oh, yay. Thank you.
What is this? What's heavy?
Oh, it's so heavy. It's wonderful. though.
Oh, look.
in the candle cabinet.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, that would be great, Murph. Perfect
Got
Play-Doh.
my tights. Or
Oh.
Oh,
What a
wow.
great color. Oh, almost.
I'm right here, Maria.
Don't get lost. Whose is that over there?
Oh, look, the 12 Dogs of Christmas.
What is that, Maria? The 12 Dogs of Christmas, a book?
Is it? And a puppy. Is that a bow?
Oh, I think so.
Daddy. It has a bow on the...
Oh, Charlotte.
It has a bow tie
Rapunzel?
on the front. Cheer, Daddy.
And the 12 Dogs of Christmas, Maria.
Is that a bow tie on the dog?
It looks like it.
It is. Maria, this is a bow tie on your dog, okay? It could be a friend of Rosie, okay, Maria?
Oh, it could be a friend of Rosie's.
Here's your glove. Your socks.
Oh, is that Daddy's?
That's that boxer dog we were talking about.
Yeah, they're shoes. They sent that to us. Hey, they sent that you're here.
Oh my goodness.
Oh boy, let me see this. We have film. Here, you have to see
Don't
what
push,
Santa
Charlotte.
did. You have to see what Santa did. This is the main thing of Santa. He spilled those cookies over there.
Well, it looked like he ate most of them.
Yeah. Maria, be careful of the angel. Where's his reindeer food? Santa left him of us.
He did.
He left us. Hey, we never had this before.
Oh, wow.
And standing on my Daddy, we didn't even recognize.
Oh, who is that?
Here, Daddy.
What music? This says Murphy on it.
Okay.
Isn't
Oh,
that
that's
coming
it.
out?
That says
Maybe
Murphy
it needs
on
a
it.
battery.
This says Murphy on it.
Bam.
No, that says Murphy from Aunt Carolyn and Uncle John.
What me and Charlotte not getting? Oh my God! I found another present.
What is
Oh,
that
Charlotte, look at
Oh,
your
don't show
slippers.
This says-
slippers.
one? Oh, look at those, Charlotte. They're beautiful.
Dragon.
Oh, you have to try them on. Maria, this one says Maria from Aunt Carolyn and Uncle John. Careful behind you.
Yeah, these fit.
Yay. Do they feel all comfy?
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's see. Oh, that says Murphy from Santa. This is Maria.
Hey guys.
And that's Murphy from Aunt Carolyn and Uncle
Oh, are
John.
those dinosaur stamps?
What are
Yeah.
those, Murph?
Also stands.
What are
Will they
those?
wash off? From
Oh, I don't know.
Jackson. From Jackson. Goody. Goody. Here's me.
Well, pull them all the way on. You don't have them pulled up. Oh, yay.
Daddy, a bug book
A bug book.
for Murphy. I got rid of feet.
Look at those. Look at
Oh,
Charlotte.
For you, look at that.
I bet those you
Oh.
you tested your slipper,
Oh,
Charlotte.
those are dots to dots, Maria. And mazes.
More socks! More!
Yay.
Is this for me?
Let's just see Maria from Santa.
Maria, stand there and hold my present. Ah, sorry. This is it.
Charlotte, look on the pillow behind you.
Oh my goodness. That's like an Easter egg hunt. What is that, Maria?
No, Daddy. Wait until you
Oh, Murph. Oh, a firefighter.
wait until you see.
And a policeman. You
Oh,
dress him up all
Charlotte. That's from Aunt
Oh.
Carolyn and Uncle John.
Charlotte.
A twirly
Oh,
dress.
How beautiful. Oh, Charlotte. Oh, wow.